Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. It is going to be summertime here pretty soon. I'm going to show y'all an easy way to do some honey barbecue chicken thighs. Y'all know thighs is my favorite part of the chicken in the oven. That's so flavorful and juicy. And hold on, y'all. Chef Jeffrey ain't set up yet. So flavorful and juicy and absolutely delicious, y'all. I do this all the time with all kinds of chicken, but chicken thighs is my favorite. I got about, how many chicken thighs? I got about 10 chicken thighs here. And I'm going to show y'all how I would do some oven barbecue chicken thighs. And get you some potato salad, some baked beans on there, and go to town. All I'm going to use, y'all, very simple ingredients. I got some Uncle Steve shake, the bird shake. Now you can use any barbecue seasoning you want, but he has a bird shake, which is absolutely amazing on poultry. Worcestershire sauce and some olive oil. And then all I'm gonna base it in is get you some thick barbecue sauce, cause I use KATY masterpiece. KATY masterpiece is good. Sweet Baby Ray's. Then I'll use real honey. It's very important. I love real honey, and I'm gonna mix them two together. That's what I'm gonna base it with. First thing I'm gonna do, I washed my chicken already. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little oil on this chicken here. That's gonna make the seasoning adhere. Oh, there go honey with one of them famous honey. He used what is adhere, honey? Look it up on Google. Chef Jeffrey, he using these big words. We don't know what they are. Adhere, that means stick to, y'all. Y'all that don't understand. I know Janet don't. She's in New Orleans. They don't have that word in New Orleans. So I add a little Worcestershire sauce to this as well, y'all. So I got a little oil in there. Put a little bit more Worcestershire sauce in there. Put that in there like that. Put that all together. Okay. Now we're going to just add our seasonings on here. Mix that in there really good. Y'all see I'm using only one hand here. I don't want to cross-contaminate my utensils or anything. You can, like I said, y'all, you can use any utensil you want. Any seasoning you want. Okay. Now, let me wash my hand here off. And I got a sheet pan here, y'all, with a rack. If you don't have a sheet pan with a rack, it's okay, but it's better because you don't want it to be sitting in the juice, so you want it to be nice, and I want to have like a nice crispy skin on the outside and be juicy on the inside. That's what I'm trying to achieve here. Let me clean up here, y'all. Got the chicken juice over there. Definitely don't want that to be like that. Okay, like I say, I got a sheet pan here with a rack on it. All I'm gonna do here is lay the chicken skin side up on the sheet pan here. I love chicken thighs, y'all. I think that's the best part of the chicken. When I go if I was to go somewhere and buy fried chicken, like churches or somewhere, I request them to give me all chicken thighs. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Absolutely. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. See if I can get them all on here, y'all. Get them all on there. I know I can. Ain't got but about 10 of these bad boys. Gotta move them around here. One more little one here. There we go. Now, I got my oven up to 425 degrees. I want to cook these on 425 degrees for about 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna put the rest of the seasoning on top here, y'all. Put a little more seasoning on there. Nice seasoning, get a nice color on them. There we go. You're gonna be good and seasoned, y'all. You're gonna be some good old chicken thighs. So, okay, 425 degrees. You can go up to 450 if you want to. It's not going to hurt it. For about 30 minutes. What you want to do, what I want to do, I want to get a nice color on these. I want to get a nice color on them and kind of dry out some of that liquid. And then I'm going to turn the oven down to about 350 and let them bake until they three quarters almost done. I'm going to take them out. That's when we're going to glaze them with the barbecue sauce and let it cook another 10-15 minutes with that barbecue sauce on them. Oh my goodness, y'all. These things are absolutely amazing. Your neighbors, friends, co-workers, uncles, aunties, baby daddies, baby mamas, whatever you want to call it, we're going to love this. So anyway, we'll be right back. Put them up 425 degrees until they get a nice color on. I'll come back and show you the next step. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. See how pretty that chicken is? That's what you want. That's what's it been in. It's not done. Y'all know it's not done. Hold on, y'all. That's been in the oven for 30 minutes on 425 degrees. And this is what you're going to get. Now, what I want to do, I'm going to put a little salt, not much on it right now, because we're going to cook this for about 45 minutes more until it's done. So it might take an hour. So what I want to do, I'll get a little barbecue sauce out of here. Put just a little on, not much, with my honey. All this is going to be, y'all, is honey. Let me show y'all here. And barbecue sauce. So I got some for these flies, I'm telling you. There we go. Got that good honey on there. Make sure you use some good honey, y'all. Don't use that cheap honey. Okay. Get my brush out of here. I'll mix this together. Because we're going to base this later, but I want to put just a little barbecue sauce on there. Just a little. It's going to cook. I don't want to put too much, because we're going to glaze it later. We're going to get some flavoring going in here. See that? So we're going to bake this uncovered, y'all. We ain't going to cover it up. For another, on 300, make sure you turn your oven down to 325 degrees. That's very important. Don't leave it on 400 something, because you're going to burn it up, and the chicken's not going to be ready. It's going to be dark and not done. So like I said, I just want to put a little barbecue sauce on there with the honey. We're going to let it cook another 45 minutes on 325 degrees. Y'all with me? Somebody back there ain't with me. Somebody back there talking. They ain't listening. Then you're going to mess up the chicken. So anyway, y'all, 325 degrees, about 45 minutes. We'll come back, we're going to base it again, put it back in the oven. I think we're going to turn it over. Next time we're going to turn it over and base the other side when we put it in the oven again. So we're going to have it all basted really, really good. So anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. This is what happens, y'all, after 45 minutes in the oven. And we're going to go back in the oven about 5 or 6 more minutes. I'm going to put one more final glaze on these bad boys. Look at that, look at that. Yeah, that won't feed your family. It's gonna be nice, sticky, flavorful chicken thighs. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Get you some, like I say, y'all, get you some potato salad, some baked beans, or some barbecue beans, however you beans. Get you some ranch style beans. Whatever kind of beans you like to eat with barbecue. And that's all you're going to need. Like I say, y'all, all this is honey and some thick barbecue sauce. Like I say, I use Sweet Baby Ray. You can use KC Masterpiece. It needs to be a thick base sauce. Okay. And y'all see, I didn't even do the bottom. I just did the top of it on the skin. It's okay. It's okay, y'all. That flavor's all in there. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Okay. Back in the oven about 5 or 6 more minutes with this. And then on 300 degrees, we come back. And it's going to be time to eat, y'all. Old school oven honey barbecue chicken thighs. Can't get no better than this. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are back here. All right, y'all. It took, what, about an hour and a half to achieve this. This is perfect for a Sunday dinner, Saturday afternoon dinner, especially in the summertime, y'all. Look at that. And them, you know, chicken thighs is one of the cheapest you can buy. This here actually was buy one, get one free package in HEB. And it was one package was $7. I got 2. So all this was $7. I'm telling you, you get you some potato salad and some beans. And put some of these chicken thighs on there, some pickles and onions, however y'all like to eat y'all barbecue. And it is on what they say, on like Donkey Kong, right? So anyway, let me get a nice thigh here. Nice thigh here. And I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna cut this in here. This took an hour and a half in the oven. If you do my procedure, this chicken thigh gonna be nice and juicy inside. And I cut in it. It's been out of the oven about maybe 5 to 10 minutes. I let the juices kind of go back in there. It's gonna be nice and juicy inside. It's gonna be flavorful. So let me cut into this chicken. Cut into this. Let me cut in the skin. Gonna kind of stick to it. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all how juicy that is. See that? And it is done here. Got the naysayer. Oh, that chicken ain't done. I always got naysayers out here. Oh, that chicken ain't done. Let me show you the chicken is done. Always some naysayers. Let me get this bone. It's hot. I will pick it up with my hand. Look at that. Cooked to the bone. Cooked to the bone, y'all. So, with enough being said, let me, like I say, anytime you can, I'm being fancy. I'm keeping it classy. Eating it with a fork. Look at that. Got that nice skin on there with that sauce. Look at this here, y'all. Going in. Let me tell you. That nice barbecue seasoning, Uncle Steve shake. Portrait seasoning. Then you hit it with that honey. The sweetness of that honey and the barbecue sauce. Y'all. And it's sticky. That's why I'm using a fork. This is what they call finger licking good. Look at that. Look at that chicken. Perfectly cooked. Nice and juicy. It's not dry. Y'all gotta try this recipe. Have to try this recipe. Very simple, but it takes steps. You just can't, a lot of people do that. They take the chicken, just throw it in the oven, put it on, come back later, wow, If you take a couple of the steps, you achieve a beautiful piece of chicken, flavorful, juicy, moist. People will be impressed how you took all day with it. 425, 30 minutes. Turn it down, 325, 35 to 45 minutes. Take it out, baste it again, 5 to 6 minutes. Voila, hour and a half, y'all. You got some beautiful chicken for your family, friends, and neighbors. Well, anyway, let me close the video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2024. Stop wasting, y'all. Start doing Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. I love y'all. Bye.